What if we had a horizontal line? Okay. And you were asked to find a delta. Alright. Well, setting up the inequalities will help, I guess. Absolute value of f of x minus L less than epsilon. So essentially we're saying, what number do you put here for the absolute value of 0 to be less than epsilon? Well, epsilon is some positive number, so the absolute value of 0 is always going to be less than epsilon, regardless of what we put here. But we can also see this graphically. So what we have a straight line, y equals 4. X is getting close to 2. And we're trying to figure out how close to the number 2 does x need to be to keep our function in between L plus epsilon, so 4 plus epsilon, and 4 minus epsilon. So question, how close does x need to be to 2 to keep the function in between here, 4 minus epsilon, and 4 plus epsilon? Let's actually think about this question a little differently. Is there any distance from 2 in which the function would not be between L minus epsilon and L plus epsilon? So it looks like any distance would work. So this distance would work. This distance would work. So any distance to the left or right of 2, our function is going to be between L minus epsilon and L plus epsilon, but we actually have to give them an answer. So pick your favorite positive number. Take delta to be 1. You could use pi. You could use e. Make sure you give them a number.